What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to open What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to open HTML files in Opera. So firstly what we want to do is to save the text. Save this text as an HTML file. So to do that, all we have to do is to go to File, then from File we're going to go to Save As, and here we want to choose where we want to save the file. Then we want to name it. So for example, I'm going with name. Then the next step is important. You have to write the following .html. Then you're going to click on Save. And as you can see, our save is right here. So to open it, all you have to do is to double click on it. So to open it, as you can see, our file is right here. Our save file is right here. So all we have to do now is to open it. So to do that, we are going to double click on it. And as you can see, as simple as this, you can open a HTML file in Opera. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.